go. What's good?
It's my boy Jacob.
Let's go.
But we got some got a busy day today.
Stay awake.
Stay awake, gotta stay awake. We are headed to Salt Lake City. We just left Park City Roasters, the best coffee shop in Park City. You don't know about it, you're gonna know about it.
Sponsor him.
They need to sponsor me for real. Park City Roasters was good. I want free matcha every day. Might be. You know where we're at.
Vantage.
Coming to get that good.
Let's go.
Hello. Our good friends at Vantage have hooked it up and are giving us some exclusive access to a lot of the stuff that they had at their warehouse or their storage / showroom. And we're gonna get a chance to pick through all that stuff real quick before we continue with our day, so that's exciting. He's in the mode already, just searching. Oh, is that Redskins?
Yeah.
That's sick.
That is dope.
Oh, this is a good one.
Green.
Dang, the back of this thing's sick. Wow. Steel. Jacob with the good eye. Man, got. Yeah, this is a
So nice.
good one. That's definitely coming home. And this one's good too. Not single stitch, but still worthy of purchase for sure.
Still a banger.
Attaboy.
Still a banger.
There might be some extra dirt on there, but not always a bad thing.
These ones are so good.
But yeah, you can flip through, and any ones you guys are interested in, feel free to set aside.
That 80? No, 92.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's the dope old anvil tag.
Yeah, I'm super stoked on it.
That's cool. That's a good find, dude.
Big bag. Shout out to Vantage.
Shouts out.
Shouts out.
Phone's ringing apparently.
Surprised it's still free here.
Janet Jackson, is that you?
Oh, look at that.
Miss Jackson, if you're
let's go.
nasty.
Am.
Thank you. Hi friends, how's it going? Hi, how are you? So good. Can I grab you guys any other drinks besides?
All this ice cream is vegan.
You can get your morning tea.
Antiques open. Bro.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Put y'all on game. Talking about jewelry. I'm about to show you right now what's going on. Hi, how are you? I'm about to show you right now what's going on. Talking about jewelry. Oh, it's about to be game over. Dang. Talking about jewelry. Oh, it's a wrap. There's cases and cases and cases of it.
Oh, the other one.
The one
right
next to it. Yeah.
Treat. Treat.
That's dope.
That is right. Don't get my nails, please.
If this isn't the most sketchy thing I've ever seen in my life, if I ever came to somebody's house and this was hanging around somewhere, I'd be nervous. Just what you came here for.
Boy Scouts. They kicked me out. Still got the hat.
This is not sharing.
Jesse, we gonna share this if I can't get it. I got the record player and you got the
I'm
record.
buying you this.
I don't want that. This is not funny. I want this.
You need to understand. You have to understand all aspects to be fully. Because when I asked you a question, you didn't have an answer for me. Jacob did.
Jacob's a very smart man.
So I need you
Well versed
to
and
read
well
the
knowledged.
guide.
Recent convert. actually.
I was thinking. I had this bright idea. When's the last time you guys saw a... Oh, that was a
Ooh,
weak
some-
pull. Not an
some
energy
purple
car.
energy.
I want this. Forget the G-Wagon. That's what I want. Oh, you got a dent in you. Dang, the wood grain steering wheel. Jacob led us straight to the fire.
Straight eaters.
Sick. Little crop vintage. Single stitch and all. $10. She didn't switch to fit real fast. Now, that's fire. Okay. Okay. I've officially spent way too much money. Every weekend I go freaking vintage shopping and I just spend so much.
Too much.
But the vintage here is so good. How you feeling?
Tired.
Same. So tired. Make one more stop.
Got some nice pickups though.
One more stop. Really good pickups. And one more stop. And then to the crib we go to just relax for a bit. Do some artwork. Listen to some music and just chill.